Good morning, fine people. A little while ago, I sent in for a Year of the Rooster coin, and I like the detail on it a lot, and of course, I thought it would look good Blackend, so I sent it to Bullion and got it back. So we're going to take a look at it. Thank you, vessel, for use of your table and knife. Come on. Making a mess. Oh, sweet. Dubs. Alright. Oh, cool. Wow. Oh, look at that. It's in a capsule. Check it out. Wow. Awesome. That focus. Look at that. That is so cool. Nice. Looks exactly like how I imagined it would. Awesome. Now, Year of the Rooster is my birth year, so I just may get a lunar one of some sort. But this one had to be antiqued for sure. Thank you, Bullion. It's beautiful. Wow. Everybody have a great Sunday. Hope you enjoyed this coin. I love it. Oh, and go Packers. See ya.